Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Jira, manage issues and Agile boards step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to your company's Jira URL or visit Atlassian.com and choose Jira. Click Login and select whether you use Atlassian account login or your company's single sign-on. Enter your email address and click Continue. Type your password and click Login, or complete the SSO steps if your organization uses it. If you see a verification prompt, complete two-step verification or email verification to proceed. After login, check the top navigation bar to confirm you are in the correct Jira site and project environment. Click your profile icon and set your language and time zone if needed for a smoother experience. Go to the Projects menu and select the project you will work on. In the left sidebar, click Backlog if your project uses Scrum, or click Board if your project uses Kanban. If you cannot see boards, click View All Boards and select the board linked to your project. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find an issue by key, title, or keyword. Click Create to open the issue creation window. Choose the correct issue type, such as story, task, bug, or epic based on your team's workflow. Enter a clear summary that describes the work in one short sentence. Fill in the description with steps, requirements, or expected results using simple bullet formatting inside Jira if needed. Select the priority if your team uses it, and add labels or components when relevant. Assign the issue to yourself or the correct teammate, or leave it unassigned if your team prefers triage first. Choose the correct sprint for Scrum projects, or leave it in the backlog to schedule later. Click Create to save the issue and open it for more details. In the issue view, review status, assignee, reporter, and due date to ensure everything is correct. Add attachments by dragging files into the issue or using the Attach button. Use the Comments section to communicate updates, questions, and decisions in one place. To update progress, click the Status button and move the issue through the workflow like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Open the board and locate your issue card in the correct column. Drag and drop the card to the next column when the work's status changes, following your team's rules. In Scrum, start the sprint from the backlog when your team is ready. Then track work on the active sprint board. Use filters and quick filters on the board to focus on your tasks or a specific label, component, or assignee. Check the Reports section for burn down, velocity, or cumulative flow to understand progress at a glance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.